subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch its upcoming Galaxy A21s smartphone, but before the official launch, the smartphone renders and specifications were revealed online by a German tech site VinFuture. According to leaks, the Galaxy A21s will support a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a hole punch at the top left corner that will house 13-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone will feature a quad camera setup in a squarish module including LED flash. The quad ray cameras will include a 48-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.0 aperture. And unfortunately, the other two camera details were not revealed, but it will likely include one macro lens and a depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Exynos 850 chipset paired with 3GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage, including microSD expansion support. As per the software, the handset will run on Android 10 with Samsung's One UI skin on the top, and it will come backed by a large 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone is set to include 4G, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB charging port. Additionally, the Galaxy A21s is spotted to support an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and the renders also suggest the phone to come in black, white, and blue color options. Now, talking about the pricing. The Galaxy A21s is set to price at €199 for the base variant, and it is expected to launch anytime soon by the end of May this year. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A21s smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.